Hi, I'm Tarak Nagraj and I'm the CEO of Heartbeats and Abaya Information Technology LLP. The products and services we are offering is the product is called Heartbeats. It's a wearable ECG monitor which monitors your heart 24/7, and all the data is saved in the cloud, and the doctors and the patients can access it real time, and they can also forward it to different types of doctors for references and reviews, and his data can be historically accessed anytime, anywhere. The Advait Home Health app is the service which is associated, the app which is associated with the device, and this app is available for Android as well as for iOS. What we're trying to bring in is enhanced digital health via, with cloud services, IoT, real-time monitoring, and it's all powered by artificial intelligence. So it's like data empowerment of a patient, for a patient. So data anytime, anywhere. Technology is cloud and artificial intelligence. The cloud, the data is saved in the cloud, and you can access it anytime, anywhere. And the data is with the patients for as long he uses the app, and there's no time limit for saving the data. And what we're trying to do is IoT technology, IoT device, Bluetooth connection of the device with the app, and not only Heartbeats, the ECG wearable monitor, but also we connect with any Bluetooth device which can be any Bluetooth device which can be added to the app, and all this data is saved in the cloud against a particular patient. As a startup, the most important thing is resources, and we work on a very a particular platform, and we train and what we look for is freshers and new talent who really want to work hard and learn the latest technologies, latest technologies. So we always look forward to new fresh recruits. Skill sets are very simple. We do Angular, Node.js, and the database is MongoDB, and we've got the platform is Ionic 2.0. So that's the technologies which we are using, and for artificial intelligence we're using Python and related stuff. Thank you.